Hey guys, this is the first section of the green screening. This is how to put your screen on something when you film, so that way you don't have to hold it up. Like to make a stand, basically. Green screen stand. I made a very simple one out of double-sided foam that's sticky. So I can just put the green screen on that. I used a keyboard stand. You can use anything, you can put it on anything. And I used some sticky foam and tape to put the pipe on the stand. Okay, very important. Make sure that the pipe is as long as the green screen. See, mine's a shower pipe, so you can like screw it in and out so it can go farther and shorter. Anyway, so yeah, make sure it's as long as that. It will help you, trust me. So let's put our green screen on our stand. And there you have it, your green screen. This has been section 1 of the green screening. Please go to my channel and click on the playlist that says green screening to see any more of my videos.